Queenslanders are voting in two crucial by-elections as well as local government elections today. Brendan Smith is at State Parliament and joins me now live. Brendan, opening polling booths will go down as one of the most controversial government decisions, particularly considering the current health crisis.
Yeah, they definitely will, Danica. There have been so many calls leading up to these by-elections and local government elections to have them scrapped. If they were scrapped, they would have been postponed until this time next year. But the state government says it is safe for them to go ahead today. The chief health officer says that people should be healthy enough and safe enough to do this, but they should know who they want to vote for, get in and get out, and should be hand sanitising before they go in. Now, of course, we have the Currumbin by-election, which has Laura Gerber going head-to-head with Kayleigh Campridge. She's from Labor. At the moment, the LNP is tipped to win, but we know that could be anyone's game at the moment. In Bundamba in Ipswich, we have Lance McCallum from Labor going up against One Nation's Sharon Bell. They are the two likely contenders at the moment, given the fact that One Nation really did hit the hustings when Joanne Miller decided to resign. She has held that seat since 2000, and Labor has held the seat since 1996. So it is definitely at the moment a Labor stronghold. Let's hear from some of the voters who hit the polling booths today.
It's insane, it really is, and if we don't come and do it, if we don't come and vote, we get fined. Yeah. So we're pensioners, we can't do a fine, so we have to come up. Fortunately, there doesn't look like to be too many people here.
Which is good.
I mean, working in healthcare, I was a little bit disappointed myself, but nonetheless the government has said we've got to do it, so I suppose I don't want to run the risk of getting a fine for not turning up. But again, it looks like people are social distancing, which is good, reassuring.
No, it's very organised and very smooth. I felt very safe.
Now, it is important to note around 1.5 million Queenslanders did either pre-poll or used postal votes prior to this, but there are still plenty of people voting out today. Some areas were pretty much ghost towns, others were still quite busy, but of course we do know today there won't be any sausage sizzles, any stalls or fetes at election booths. It will simply get in and get out. Let's hear from Queensland Health.
Voting today on election day is important. Many people have already voted. Voting at your local polling booth is very safe. Don't forget to bring your own pen, sanitise your hands on the way in. The ECQ staff are doing a great job of getting people in and out in about 3 minutes.
Now, some of the local polling booths I actually saw driving into Parliament today, we really did see a lot of people using the social distancing measures, but there were some reports emerging that there weren't any hand sanitising stations at all. So it is just hoped that Queenslanders are doing the right thing. They're staying 1.5 metres apart and washing their hands.